All the paddy field is all misted up. And you hear the birds, the morning birds that come. You don't hear anything else. There ain't no feeling like that. We wanted to be away from the noise and busy lifestyles and all that. We wanted to get away from and be at peace of where we're going to go to our home. That feeling that you have, I mean, just listen now. There's a bird, you can hear some crickets. There's another bird. What more do you want?
We always felt that we wanted something that was timeless. There are certain types of architectures which are dependent on trend, the trend of certain materials. Those materials fade over a period of time. Natural materials, nature, earthiness, it doesn't fade, it stays timeless. That was something that we kept thinking about while designing. Once you come in, you're not in a foyer, or the house is not separated from the person entering. There's no concept of privacy, because that's how we are as people. You're part of our environment, you're part of our home. Our design is not about manifesting ourselves or projecting us. Our designs are to project the user and the way he lives.
If you was to build this house in a conventional method with block and brick and everything else in concrete, you will need it to have huge piles. Now with this technology that we have, it's a very lightweight construction. Lightweight, but quite a lot stronger than normal conventional structures. But being lighter and as strong as it is, this is possible in this piece of land.
When we went to the laterite cutting yard, I touched down and felt this very, very nice fine paste. And suddenly I thought that why not use this in a way for the plastering of the home. We'd already decided to build with panel. So the core is the panel. And then I wanted to use this as the finishing for the entire house.
What do people see? Space. 2, openness. 3, freedom. And that word freedom, well, it is not often said. It's not often used in our languages anymore. People talk about freedom and architecture, freedom and engineering. The guy gave me freedom to do whatever. But do they experience it? Yeah, you do. It's completely open. It's free. Here created this inside nature, augmenting what was there. Not upgrading it, but supplementing it, if you like. is to create a little bit of a piece of wonder inside nature, take in nature, saying thank you to nature, and create some little bit more. I've been around the world for a while, in different countries and different companies and all that. I haven't had a home until now. And having met Zarine has just put my mind at rest and has found me a home.